Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, broskies and sisters, to our reaction channel. If this is your first time here, let me officially welcome you on board. Over here, we react to funny clips from TikTok. So basically, we just chill, relax, and have a good laugh on this channel. So if you like what we do here and you want to be part of the family, part of the gang, we are on our way to 1,000 subscribers. We currently are almost 500. So we are on a good pace so far. So if you want to be part of the gang, you know what to do. I wanted to let you guys know there will be a slight change to how we upload on the channel. So we usually upload a video every day, but I think I want to change it up a little bit. So it will be a video on a Wednesday and then Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So 4 videos in a week. That's how we're going to do it. But right now, let's check out some of these dad jokes that I found. So the last one we reacted to, some jokes did went over my head. So thank you to those who explained the joke to me. So I got a joke. So I hope on this one nothing flies over my head, but we gonna see. All right.
How do you find a blind man in a nudist colony?
He's the only one without a boner?
It's not that hard.
I was close.
She was close.
Yeah, please. Yeah.
I feel like his delivery was bad. That's probably because she already almost figured the joke out.
I'm sorry. I'm really sorry.
Oh, some of these are fucked.
Go on, no?
No, you got 10.
No, because I finished the
No,
punchline.
you
So
go. No, I have 3 more left. Please go.
Okay, hold on.
What the hell, bro?
That's a lie. I wrote it up.
That's disgusting, bro.
That's a laugh. Drink.
That is no laugh, you burped!
You
It wasn't
laughed.
your joke. I also took a shot for no reason. You've still got a full shot.
That's a laugh. That's a laugh.
You've still got a shot. Take your
Let's
fucking
have it
shot.
together. Let's have it together. Cheers.
God, this is chaos.
Everything is chaos today. When does a dad joke become a daddy joke?
When?
When he comes.
Why do you do the tongue thing?
I have dry lips. I'm sorry. I think you do it better than I do.
That was kind of crazy. I won't lie.
I think you do it better than I do.
Do you reckon?
Yeah.
That's
Please,
cute. That's
please
cute.
make that the thumbnail. Just me and a killer.
A killer? She just called me a killer. She just called me a
Oh my God. Cancelled.
I feel like they're already too drunk for this game right now. Like they're already acting way too drunk for this game. Look at the flipping bottle, bro. Like it's empty. They're already way too drunk for this game.
How quick you are. That is so racist.
That's so bad.
I swear it was because up until up until 20
Nah, bro. Look at his eyes. Nah. Yo.
minutes ago, I was told. 20 minutes ago, I was told that I was versing a killer. So it's
Shut
not
up.
my
That's
fault.
not an excuse.
And that was genuinely the truth.
Do we look alike? Come here.
No, you don't look
Come here,
alike
come
at
here.
all. At all.
Do we look alike to you? Huh? Bitch? Racist.
Okay. Okay, I get it now. I get the joke.
We actually do look like.
You don't look alike at all. You have such different facial structure.
Okay, you're not racist. Let's go.
I'm not a pervert.
Because they're probably of the same ethnicity.
Is any of this usable?
Yeah, this is great. This is great content.
Is
Yeah.
it? Please don't use that. I can't.
This one's great. What does a homeless woman use for a vibrator?
What?
2 bees in a bottle. That's funny. Alright.
That would sting. Oh my god, that would sting so bad. That would sting so bad.
Am I still doing spam jokes?
I was. Alright, yeah.
What do you call a woman who refuses to give head?
What?
An Uber.
Bro. What kind of laughter is that, bro? What kind of laugh is that? His laugh made me laugh. Now, we have to hear that laugh again, bro. We have to hear that laughter again, bro. Wait. What was that?
Who refuses to give head?
What?
An Uber.
Yo, what kind of laughter is that, bro?
You're a fucking pervert.
I'm not a pervert. Is that
Is that my voice?
What?
a killer? Shut up.
Son of a killer, you're not funny. I'm the only brown comedian on this fucking show, okay?
I'm so good.
I mean, I hope. I mean, I don't know. I mean, is that how is that how he speaks like in real life? That's funny, bro.
Yep.
Why don't blind people...
Shut up, do it properly, do it properly.
Shut up, a killer. No one asked you.
Why don't blind people skydive?
Why?
It scares the shit out of their dogs. I'm not a pervert.
What the hell is? What is going on? Why do they keep saying that? And why does he laugh like that, bro? That's crazy.
Well, we're out of alcohol, but
Yo, the way he laughs, bro, that's crazy. Why he laughs like that, man? Damn.
What's the difference between flowers and anal?
What?
Tell me.
Flowers make your day, anal makes your whole week.
Yo, what the hell, bro? Damn. Yo, that's crazy, bro. That's funny. That's mad.
That's great.
That's great, bro.
Can't look at him because I know like either he'll laugh and then as soon as he laughs, I'll laugh.
Look at me.
No, like look at me.
Yeah.
Yeah, that.
Okay,
yeah,
okay.
But that was a good joke, though. That was a good joke.
Tell me another joke, Matthew.
Don't mind if I do. An American cannibal visits Germany. I laughed.
I was like, wait. I was like, American. Okay, we're changing topic. Germany. Right back in there. All right, tell me about the fucking cannibal and the Germans.
Cannonball. Where did I read
I want to
this
hear
one?
this joke so
An
bad.
American.
We've already laughed this time, so it's okay. You got to finish.
An American cannibal visits Germany.
Yeah.
What does he have for lunch?
What? German sausage.
A hamburger. The American pig!
Did you write that way? You
Okay, the only reason I laughed is because I live in Germany, right? And whenever I hear this German accent, like when Americans try to sound German, they sound like the old era, like the Hitler era, right? That was so funny for the accent. That was so funny, bro.
No, didn't.
Well, somewhere.
Damn.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, is you an apology?
Because he's a... Oh, fuck me. Let me walk the joke in. Let me walk the joke in for you. An American cannibal visits Germany. Cannibal, American. Cannibal, American. What does he have for lunch? A hamburger. He has a hamburger. The American pig. What is pig? Ham. Ham, pig.
Yeah, sorry.
They do be eating.
Why do you never
also
hear- oh, we're gonna
hamburgers
get
in
shots
Germany.
Oh, fucking yeah. For when? 3 jokes ago.
That hamburger joke, we laughed at the start of it.
Oh, did we? Oh, fuck yeah. It doesn't even matter if the punchline didn't work. Premise is the winner.
What's the difference between my dick and cancer?
My dick and cancer.
Look, just tell me. I was gonna.
My granddad didn't beat cancer.
Yeah. A moment of silence for that joke, bro. I get a joke, but it's a very, very crazy, like dark joke. Like it's yeah, I know. Yeah. I can't relate, so yeah, but that's a very crazy joke, bro.
Rest in peace, granddad.
All right. What do you call?
Is another German joke?
No, it's not. It's not a German joke.
It is a German joke, right? It's a German joke. Here we go. Give it
What
to
do you
me.
call? What do you? Okay, wait. This is my favorite joke I've got for all of it.
It's better be good.
What do you call a genocidal mass murdering girl with big tits?
Hey.
Titler.
We had this one.
That's your best.
We had this one from
God
the
help
other,
us all.
Fucking Titler.
from the other video.
More like Schindler.
Hey, that's a good movie. The list that they did anyway. Go on.
Oh, actually, I have a German joke for you.
Oh, fucking give it to me, baby. Let's go.
I deleted all my German friends from my phone.
Why?
Now it's hands-free.
I just didn't want to cover you again. Hans. You wearing my sunnies?
You can say hands.
Hans Freya. Do it with a bit of a bravado, you know. Hans Free.
Well, because hands-free, you don't say hands-free phone. So I was,
Okay.
Yeah, the last German joke wasn't really it.
What do you call a
Wasn't
woman
really
who
it.
loves small dicks?
Ooh, okay.
Sam? Please be Sam.
Sam.
Yeah.
what's the answer say?
Hopefully your girlfriend.
My girlfriend.
Yeah, I know, that's what I'm talking about.
Okay. Okay, that was a bit crazy awkward.
Worst dad jokes of all time. Go.
What did Harry Potter say when he was filling up his car?
What?
Expensive petroleum!
What do you call a wizard who never secures a girl?
What?
Fumbledore.
Why would...
Fumbled though, bro. He fumbled it. Damn. That's crazy.
Why were Billy's clothes wet?
Why?
He didn't start the dryer.
I was in a job interview the other day and they asked if I could perform under pressure. So I said, dum 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 da da dum dum. Pressure pushing down on me.
What does the plus stand for in LGBTQ plus?
Others.
Nope. It's the premium version of gay.
What do you call a beehive without an exit?
What?
Unbelievable.
Fucking terrible.
Bro, he said LGBT close. That's a close. LGBT. I can't even say it, bro. LGBTQ plus the premium version. That's crazy, bro. Damn. Oh, shit.
It's called pirates. They just are.
That's a bit cheesy. That's a bit cheesy. What's the grunt like that, bro?
You got one kind of like that.
What do you call a hunter without a nose
There's a
or a
little
body?
body.
Nobody knows.
These are bad dad jokes, bro.
You know why they call me Rooster, right?
The fact that they are whispering is making me also like want to whisper. Like,
How do you organize a space party? You plan it.
I like that one. I like that one.
They say the early bird gets the worm. In that case, I'm sleeping in. I want pancakes. Hot pancakes. How do cows stay up to date on current events? They read the news.
You're the most paper. Some parts were nice on that
Worst
one.
dad jokes of all time, part 16. Go.
What did the blanket say when it fell off the bed?
What?
Oh, sheet.
What's ET short for?
What?
Because he's only got small legs.
Why are chickens so funny?
Why?
Because!
He
Can a
said it
kangaroo
better.
jump higher than a house?
No.
Of course. Houses can't jump.
A girl said to me 3 fingers was too much. Most people have 10.
I thought about going on an all almond diet, but that's just nuts.
Okay. Okay. It was okay, but didn't make me laugh.
An electrician. Dude, don't be racist.
Correct.
Thank you.
Just kidding. I shock.
Okay.
What do you call a cow that plays the guitar? A musician.
Nah, see, at a point I forgot the premise of the joke. I didn't even know what the joke was because he did all that thing, and I was like, "What is going on?" Yeah, but a musician, okay, I get it, but yeah, but you lost me though. Still funny.
Where do you find a cow with no legs?
Where?
Wherever you left it.
Okay. I saw an ad yesterday that said, radio for sale, $1, volume stuck on full blast. I said to myself, well, I can't turn that down.
Why did Karen press Control, Shift, Delete?
Why?
Because she wanted to see the task manager.
Why did little Johnny drop his ice cream?
You haven't even finished it.
Do that again. Why did little Johnny drop his ice cream?
This better be funny, bro.
It's not even that funny. I don't know why I'm crying. Anyway. Oh, God. Why did little Johnny drop his ice cream?
Why?
Because he got hit by a bus.
Poor Johnny.
I'm actually crying.
She laugh laugh at that joke, bro.
What do you call a priest who graduated from law school? Father-in-law? Father-in-law? Father? The father-in-law touched me.
Yeah, nah. Stop, bro. You said it the first 3 times it wasn't funny. Stop it. Don't
And
go
then he
crazy
defended
now.
me in court.
Yeah, that was weird. That was cringe.
I believe that was a laugh.
Yeah. Man, I need to do some freaking training or something before I come here, or like...
Did I laugh?
No, I'm just getting you ready for the punchline. What's a cat's favourite TV show?
What?
Claw and Order. Yeah, you fucking laughed. Claw and Order gets a laugh.
God, I hate Bible so much.
It wasn't funny, bro. Come on now, let's be honest.
Fucking sort it out, cunt.
You alright?
Andrew just doesn't know how to read.
What's the difference between a good joke and a bad joke? Timing. Trash.
Hit him with some heat.
Okay.
What's blue and not very heavy? Light blue.
I hate you so much right now.
Ain't the heavy, you know.
Very cheesy, okay. Light blue. Very cheesy,
My
that
wife
one.
complains I don't buy her flowers. To be honest, I never knew she sold flowers.
Fair enough.
I've been struggling lately to get my wife's attention. So I just sat down, got comfortable. That did the trick.
Again, fair enough.
Why couldn't the toilet paper cross the road?
Why?
You got stuck in a crack.
That's a wild one, bro. That's wild. Got stuck in the crack is wild, bro.
What did the Rasta say to the pirate?
What's that?
Everything Ari.
It's the delivery, bro. That was a good delivery. Everything alright. That was a good delivery, bro.
My wife asked for a divorce today, saying I was too un-American. Saw it coming from a kilometer away.
My wife called me at the bar last night. She said, if you're not home in 10 minutes, I'm giving the dinner I cooked for you to the dog. I was home in 5 minutes. I hate for anything to happen to that dog.
Wow. Okay. Wow. Okay. So in essence, your wife can't cook for shit. Okay. Damn.
My dog used to chase people on a bike. You know what I did to stop him?
No.
I took his bike away.
I told my doctor I need help. I'm addicted to Instagram. He looked confused. Said, sorry, I'm not following you.
Huh?
What did one hat say to the other? You stay back. I'm gonna go on ahead.
My wife lost our dog last night while she was making a salad. If anybody sees her, let us know.
Okay. Okay, not bad.
I threw an Asian down the stairs the other day.
Okay, now hold on. What would make you even throw an Asian down the stairs, bro? Like, why an Asian down the stairs? What did he do, or what did she do? Why would you even do that, bro? That's just crazy. That's beyond me. Why would you throw an Asian dude or lady down the stairs? They could have died, bro. Why would you even do that?
I threw an Asian down the stairs the other day. Mm-hmm. It was Wong on so many levels.
Bro, he was wrong on so many levels. That's crazy, bro. That's funny.
Stop laughing at
He was wrong on so many levels. Damn. That might be the best joke so far. Damn. Jeez. It might be wrong on so many levels.
What's yellow and can't swim?
Oh my god!
We don't even need to hear the punchline no more. That's the punchline.
My punchline's
That's
not
the
going to beat
punchline.
that, but a bus full of people.
Alan.
That was good.
Yeah. Okay, my people, that was the last one. I hope y'all enjoyed this one, man. This was funny, but that one joke, the one on so many levels, definitely has to be the best joke on this video. So I hope y'all enjoyed this one, and I hope to see you guys on the other one. So I appreciate you guys. I appreciate every view, every click, every like, every comment. See you guys on the other video, and we out. Peace out, man.